Welcome to the CarLux. Today, we're stepping into the world of ultimate luxury with the 2025 Rolls-Royce, a symbol of elegance, craftsmanship, and prestige. More than a car, it's a rolling piece of art. Let's explore what makes it the gold standard of luxury. The design of the 2025 Rolls-Royce is timeless and imposing. A hand-polished Pantheon grille, sleek laser headlights, and the Spirit of Ecstasy ornament set the tone. The long, sculpted body with coach doors and a graceful roofline showcases elegant proportions. Each line is deliberate, each surface finished to perfection. From the polished chrome accents to the silent closing doors, it commands attention without needing to shout. Pure presence, refined and effortless. Step inside and you're enveloped in an oasis of bespoke luxury. Every element is customizable, from lamb's wool carpets and hand-stitched leather to wood veneers crafted from a single tree. The Starlight headliner transforms the cabin ceiling into a night sky. Screens glide silently from behind seats, controls feel like jewelry, and the atmosphere is whisper quiet. It's not just a cabin, it's a sanctuary. The 2025 Rolls-Royce delivers power with unmatched grace. Its V12 engine produces nearly 600 horsepower, offering smooth, effortless acceleration. The GPS-linked 8-speed transmission anticipates gear changes, while the advanced planar suspension and road scanning tech ensure a ride that feels like floating. Even at speed, the cabin stays incredibly quiet. Whether you're driving or relaxing in the back, the experience is pure Rolls-Royce. Calm, refined, and effortless. Technology in the Rolls-Royce is discreet yet state-of-the-art. The infotainment system is intuitive, luxurious, and fully integrated into the bespoke interior. Rear seat passengers enjoy their own digital command centers. Features like night vision, adaptive cruise, and 360-degree surround view enhance safety without disrupting the serene environment. It's technology designed to serve, not distract. Pricing starts around $400,000, but with Rolls-Royce's near-limitless customization, from bespoke interiors to handcrafted details, it's easy to go well beyond $500,000. It's not just a car, it's a one-of-one masterpiece tailored to its owner. Is the 2025 Rolls-Royce the height of automotive luxury, or would you opt for something like a Bentley or Maybach instead? Drop your thoughts below. Thanks for watching the CarLux. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more luxury reviews delivered in style. Until next time, stay classy.